Hi, welcome to the Laylow Autograph Collection.
The Laylow Autograph Collection was formerly the Aqua Wave Waikiki Hotel, which was built in 1967, then converted into the Laylow in 2017 through a $60 million renovation to become the first hotel on Oahu to join Marriott's Autograph Collection. The property is 2 blocks from Waikiki Beach and has 251 rooms across 16 floors. This is the start of the lobby. The pool is through that walkway. This is the front desk area. On the right is the cafe portion of Hideout, the hotel's restaurant and bar. Around the corner is some seating and an elevator to get to the ground floor. This is the patio area, which features live entertainment every evening between 6 p.m. and 9 p.m. On the left is the bar portion of Hideout. Making our way back to the front desk, there is an activity and tour planning service desk and the elevator landing area. This wall artistically displays directions for common points of interest, which is helpful for those getting out of the elevator. Down the hallway and around the corner, this is Laylow's hydration station, where they have warm and cold water and sparkling water on tap for guests. They also have a microwave and bags of ice. Continuing down the hallway is the outdoor pool, which is open every day from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. The lounge chairs in the pool are interesting. Adjacent to the pool is the fitness room, which is always open. Next to the fitness room is a gift shop, which is open between 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. daily. We have come full circle back into the lobby. There are only 2 elevators that service 16 floors. This area can get crowded during the day. The hallways are pretty short, as each floor contains about 16 rooms. This is a 1 king balcony room. On the left is the bathroom, which is very bright and modern. The shower has wood panels and sliding glass doors. Back in the entrance behind the sliding door are 2 robes and lots of storage space. This is the bedroom and living room. They have a king bed, love seat, coffee table, and colorful Hawaiian themed wallpaper. Along the opposite wall is a small desk, TV, many Hawaiian decorations, and a gift basket. The gift basket has chips, chocolate, water bottles, sandals, and a Laylow rubber duck. Very nice of the hotel. There's a ukulele on the top of the entertainment center. On the shelf are some Hawaiian themed books. Below that is a mini fridge. This nightstand has 7 outlets to charge your devices. The other side has 3, which is plenty. This is the balcony, which has 2 patio chairs and a small table. The pool-facing rooms mainly have a view of the parking lot. The other side of the hotel has a view of other hotels. No Laylow room has a true ocean view. And another view of the room. Time for ratings. I give the room a 3 out of 5. The room was a decent size with a clean and modern bathroom. The modern Hawaiian decor, wallpaper, and furniture was a nice touch. The mini fridge was practical and the love seat was comfortable, but the room lacked ceiling lights, which made the room oddly dim in the evening, and the bed was really uncomfortable. I give the amenities a 4 out of 5. Laylow has a nice outdoor pool, fitness room, restaurant and bar, live entertainment every night, and a gift shop. They earned that 4th star by offering daily poolside treats, which include fruit, drink samples, and shaved ice, and daily activities which include arts and crafts, Laylow making, and ukulele lessons. I give the intangibles a 3 out of 5. The property is 2 blocks from Waikiki Beach and is surrounded by popular restaurants and shopping centers. This is really convenient. Cash rates for Laylow were going for about $450 per night. At that price, I give a 3 out of 5 for cash value. That represents some value. Award nights for Laylow cost about 60,000 Marriott points per night. I give a 3 out of 5 for points value. This is a decent redemption. I recommend booking with cash or points for those that value the location and the modern Hawaiian style. In summary, the Laylow Autograph Collection is a distinctive hotel located in the heart of Waikiki with modern Hawaiian theming. That is all for my review of the Laylow Autograph Collection. Thanks for joining.